Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this medium worsted two-toned hat, and I made it with an eye hook, red heart medium worsted yellow and blue yarn. I think this hat is perfect for state colors. These are my state colors. The length is from top all the way past the eyes, which is the chain 40, and around is 22 inches. It starts with the chain 40 plus 1. If you want to make this for a child, you will want to go down a hook size, or you also will want to lessen the chain count because from top past the eyes it will be too big for a child. You maybe could make it down to a chain 35. You could also take the two sides, the two colors, rather than adding on a new color, you can make two sections of colors. So if you need to omit a row or two because it's too big or too small, you can do that without unraveling the whole entire thing. This is a pretty easy pattern, and the pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, start off with a chain count of 40 plus 1. This is for an adult size, and if you want it for a child, you could go down a hook size and maybe omit 5 stitches because this is from the top of the head past the eyes, because it will have a cuff. It'll flip over a cuff on it for this hat. And for beginner stitches, I have a link down below on how to do that. And if you want tighter stitches, you can use an H hook, but you will want to add about 5 more stitches to the chain if you do that. So half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then repeat in each chain until you get to the end, just 1 half double crochet. This pattern is done in all half double crochets. So like I said, if you want to make it tighter, you can use an H hook, just add a few more chains. So chain 1 and turn and work a half double crochet in the back loop, and each back loop for the rest of the pattern work a half double crochet, and for 21 rows you will do 1 set of colors. If you want to do 1 color, then you will do 42 rows. But for 1 color, I did 21 rows. So chain 1 and turn and just repeat half double crochet in each back loop across until you get to the end. Okay, so this one here, you're going to add your blue, but like I said, you can do 2 separate squares and then add them together later, just in case you feel like it might be too tight or too big, so you don't have to unravel the whole entire pattern. You just never know. But I already knew, so I just went ahead and just added my new color with a slip stitch in there, just slipped it right in, and then did a chain 1, and then for the rest of the pattern you will work it the same exact way. You will work a half double crochet in each back loop for 21 more rows, just done the same exact way. Okay, so you're going to chain 1 and just work it the same way, a half double crochet in each back loop across until you get to the end for 21 more rows, or you can do 2 different sections and add them together to make sure it fits you properly. Now you are adding the 2 sections together and going to work a slip stitch. So you just pull through and work a slip stitch in both of the stitches and then work it until you get to the end. Now yarn over, pull through, and then it's complete for connecting it. It's like a tube right now, and then you will close it on top. On either side, it doesn't matter which side, you're going to take at least 1.5 feet of yarn or so and weave in back and forth until you get back to the beginning, and then this will cinch it closed. And this is the very top of the hat. So from the top to the bottom, it's about 11 inches, and then you're going to flip it over for a cuff. If you feel like the stitches are just a little too big from what you can see, just go down a hook size. Okay, so right here you're just going to take the ends and pull it closed, like kind of like a magic circle, and then you can weave your ends with your yarn needle to really secure it and close it. You will flip this right side out. So right now the seams are showing on the outside, but you're going to turn it right side out. So you will disguise those. Then take all of your tails, you can tie them in a knot together. Also weave them in and out with your yarn needle so they are secure and they don't loosen up on you. Okay, so this is what the hat looks like. I think it turned out nicely. Also, it looks great for football games to represent your state colors or your favorite two colors. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.